Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Now let's take another look at the most important financial events for today. Last week, the greenback behaved as a predator focused on its prey. In other words, expectations of an attack caused a slump in some of the major European currencies, which was hailed as a victory for the US national currency. The single European currency sank. It has not recovered so far. However, the euro was not the only one that weakened against the US dollar.
Following the US unemployment data released on Friday, the ruble began weakening against the US dollar as well as other major currencies. However, Russia's national currency turned out to be oversold, which means the market is expected to look for any reason to perform a correction, such as the trade balance surplus. Amid the reports, we anticipate the Russian ruble to hit the level of 64 against the greenback in the near terms.
On the other hand, the ruble is supported by ongoing recovery in oil prices. However, we should not take out of consideration the continuing instability in the energy market. The latest report on the Chinese trade balance confirmed a slowdown in the global economic growth rate, showing that the crude market remains oversupplied. The Chinese balance of trade hit $61.4 billion in October, coming out below analysts' expectations of $62 billion. China's exports contracted by 6.9% compared to the reporting period of the previous year. Imports declined by 18.8% in October of 2015. Besides, the forecast from experts at Goldman Sachs does not favor the Russian national currency either. They noted in their latest report that the era of BRICS investment must end, as economists do not expect any significant increase in these countries' assets in the future. Thus, Goldman's BRICS fund has already lost 88% since 2010. The news has come a kind of a shock for most market participants, as BRICS countries still drive the global economic growth. Meanwhile, experts underline they do not see any prospects for economic recovery in these countries in the nearest term. That is why the ruble is expected to be depressed against the most majors. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and see you tomorrow.